G'day guys, this is Jimmy from RC Trucking Australia with Jimmy. Today we do a review on the EE 114 scale Volvo FMX dump truck hydraulic version. And yeah, no further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty then, we'll go through what comes with the truck, and yeah, we'll go through the manual quickly as well. Anyways, we've got the hydraulic filler bottle, fills up the hydraulic tank, which I'll show you very soon. Two little men, whether the passenger or driver. We've got this lithium ion battery, 3000 milliamp hour battery, 7.4 volt with the truck. It's a couple tools. Some more tools, key set, the fire extinguisher. I'm not going to put it on, I just left it off. Did have a couple more bolts, but put some bolts on in there where the fire extinguisher was supposed to go. I'll put some bolts in the holes there so they don't fill up with dirt or anything. There's some battery pack. Battery charger, sorry, I should say. Here's the cord. Might fit in Australian plugs. So, just a sticker. I've got a stick on the front of the truck I haven't done yet. Oops. It's a certificate, obviously. I'll be what looks like a servicing sticker. A certificate. And just a quick start guide for the controller, which I will show you in the moment. Here's the controller. That is the Fly Sky FS-ST8. I use this actually on the dump truck as well. I'm using it on different remote control truck as well. Tomato one. And here's the manual. You see it. Go through it quickly. That's the warnings, precautions, and warnings again there. Precautions for battery use. Warnings there. Get the oil and stuff on that page. Here's your wiring mode, CM grip module. Functions on that page there, all numbered and stuff. yeah, as you see up here, all the lights, they already come on it. I didn't have to put on it. The only thing I had to put on was the aerial and the headlight guards had to be screwed on as well. Headlight protectors, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I'm just going to leave the fire extinguisher off, but that's it. Alrighty guys, we'll look into the functions of the truck now. Alrighty guys, truck is on. We'll start up the controller. Controller is on. Bluetooth has it, sorry. Alright. So just your forward, reverse, what we got here? So we got, that's your gearbox, that's your second gear. Low gear, high gear. And that one there is your differential. See there. And we've got body lift. I have turned the pump down and stuff, but it's still on 100%. I'll show you the settings in a minute. As you can see, the lights are on. That's the daylight running lights. So you got on this other slide on the right hand side. That's your sound. Reverse. Blinkers. On. And volume control in the middle. On this switch here, it's your lights. That's supposed to be for the pump, but I think it's not on that channel. It says in the book, but it's not turning on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the functions. I'll turn the truck around and stuff and show you the lights. Alrighty guys, I'll show you the tailgate here opens and stuff here. The lock latches open if you get so far and lock. So here we go, here you got the hydraulic tank just here. Little breather hose. There was actually a screw in there. I've taken it out and put that hose in there just so the tank can breathe a bit. There's no suction or anything in the tank. This here, I'll take this off. If it'll let me. Okay. Here's the servos for the diffs, locking diffs, front and back. Got your motor there. Very strong looking drive shaft. Goes into some sort of thing. It goes to another drive axle. Got another drive shaft goes to the front. Rear. You can see the diff, lockable diffs. Pull up. Hydraulic ram. It's a hydraulic pump. Oh, this is all steel, no plastic. Spare wheel. Looks like they are scale club tyres. That must be scale club rims as well, I'm not quite sure. You can see the leaf springs there. Front as well. The door's open. The detail in the cab is pretty spot on. Looks nice in there. Adjustable mirrors. I'll turn her in the other side and have a look. Alrighty, I turned it around. Let's have a look in this little box here. This is where the speaker is. Nice little hidey hole. Yeah, it's a little mirror, little antenna up here. Have to stick that on once we got it out of the box. These little headlight covers as well, had to screw them on. It's here as well, comes up. So we get stuck or bogged, yeah, you can pull something out, or you can get towed out. Open the door on this side as well. The detail on this truck is incredible, eh? Even those little seat adjusters as well. So even on the door panels as well. Looks incredible. Done a great job on this truck. Look at the back there. And potentially you can put a ring feeder on there for a trailer as well. Yeah. Nice wheels. Very well detailed. All these mirrors too, they're just not hard plastic, they're a little bit flexible. So if you run into anything, it's more durable. There you have it, guys. The AA Hobby 140 scale Volvo FMX dump truck, as we call them in Australia. Tippers or mud carters. Yeah, definitely done a very good job on this truck. The detail is incredible. Look at the daylight running lights, the interior. There's so much detail in it. Lockable diffs, fully hydraulic bin or body, whatever you want to call it. The oil actually running it is ISO 32 grade oil. I haven't had an issue using that oil in other machines and stuff that we've got. But yeah. We got the gearbox, the 2-speed gearbox hardline. We got the diff locks. I would like to see AA build a actual tip trailer for this too, a tipper trailer. Just not the European looking trailer either. I like to see a tipper trailer with a set of wheels at the front on a dolly. That'd be pretty cool. It'd be like a 3-axle trailer. As your front axle will be the dolly. That'd be pretty cool. That'll look good on the back of this. Yeah. In the batteries, because this come with a lithium ion battery. I actually also run 2S LiPo battery in it as well. I've asked the question to the guys I bought it off. They said that it's fine to run the 2S in them. I reckon it runs a lot better on 2S compared to the lithium ion battery. But yeah, the guys I bought it off, they were awesome. From buying it off them all the way to shipping it over. Always kept in touch, or even after I received it, they messaged me and asked me how it's going. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description where I purchased it from. And yeah, pretty sure we covered everything. If I missed anything, if you want to know anything, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you, and hopefully I can answer your question. And yeah, and another thing too, don't forget to jump over on Facebook or Instagram, check out Little Big Rig Sydney, the group I'm in Sydney obviously. Got a few shows coming up at the end of the year. You might, as you'll see, some of the videos I've been putting up lately. Done a couple of reviews, got a show we just done not long ago. You might see this in action in one of those videos coming up. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends and family, hit the notifications bell, and yeah, don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I will talk to you on the next one. See ya.